I'm here today to practice and try to pull off the Barani. Got a nice easy obstacle here. It's just string lights. Nothing can really go wrong except I hit it and fall to the ground, which I guess it could be avoided if I had an obstacle that was higher, but it is what it is. So a Barani is when you have a obstacle, something like this, that you can power loop under. So you would power loop, and then at the top of the power loop, instead of completing the power loop, you'll actually do a 180 yaw spin while you're upside down, and then you would finish it off with a Matty flip to go through, because that's the orientation that you would be in. First, I'll have to practice the actual power loop itself and get used to that motion and what it looks like. Oh, that was a bit lower than I would like to end up. Oh, don't know where I was going with that. Okay, getting tighter. Yep. That was maybe too tight. That didn't even clear. Sometimes you just gotta go for it. Ooh, nope. Okay, I'm low on battery here, so I'm gonna land and switch it off. Okay, so convention will be power looping, 180. Ooh, okay. Oh, nope. I'm losing track of orientation here. Huh. This is hard, y'all. Kind of confused how to exit. Guess this is where simulation would have helped. I think I'm doing like full 360s instead of the 180. That's why I'm like ending in the wrong orientation. Did it. I did a crooked one. Did another crooked one. Okay. I did it. It's so ugly, but I did it. I did it. It was cleaner. Oh, that is really off. I mean, I'm getting it, but it doesn't feel like I'm in control, so that's one thing. It just happens so fast, so like, I'm kind of going through the motions, but I don't really feel in control. Oh, this one does, but I just ran out of juice. In fact, I dipped kind of low there. I think I'm done with that battery. Last pack, let's see how many we can do here, because it looks like I'm starting to get it. Launch control active. Nice. I don't really know if that's it, but a gust of wind just came in. That's why it's like blowing away, but I think I did. Oh, that's it. Oh, that was sick. Considering this is the first time I'm trying it on an obstacle, and only had 6 batteries to work with only like 1.5 minutes to 2 minutes each, I'm gonna consider that a successful run. Let's see what the damage is on my drone. The battery plug took a beating because we're gonna have to go backwards on the Matty flip, and then we're already gonna be low in the air, and so I'm constantly hitting it. Not happy about that, but people online would probably say, hey, if you rip that off, that's some weight savings, eh? Cool. Well, that's it for me today. It's a short one. I'm sneaking out for a flight before dinner here with my wife, and gonna head to dinner. So catch you in the next one later.